Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. The National Works Agency, NWA, has been busy throughout the corporate area today putting in last-minute preparations for Monday's back-to-school traffic. There has been high anxiety among parents and school administrators as extensive roadwork projects have been causing traffic nightmares even while schools were on summer break. Well, tomorrow, that traffic is expected to increase significantly, but the NWA insists it will be ready.
New traffic lights, new road markings, and new road signs. It's all part of a detour road network to be implemented Sunday night ahead of Monday's back-to-school traffic. The aim? To keep traffic flowing without impeding construction works at 3 Miles, Hagley Park Road, and Constant Spring Road. Communication Manager at the National Works Agency, NWA, Stephen Shaw, says the final measures are being put in place.
Well, right now we are going through the corporate area specific intersection where we are, in the case of Constant Spring Road, West Kings House Avenue, we are getting that signal back up, having regard to the fact that it had been out for about a week. So to that at Shortwood Road, we are going to be rehearsing the timings, changing the timing later on this afternoon in anticipation of the increased traffic flow come tomorrow morning.
But how well do motorists understand these changes? Mr. Shaw says in addition to the changes announced last week, measures are being implemented on Constant Spring Road. Effective 6 o'clock Monday morning, the section of Constant Spring Road between Cassava Peace Road and Mary Brown's Corner will be converted to one-way traffic flow. This will take traffic heading from the direction of Manor Park towards Halfway Tree. Mr. Shaw says this one-way system will be in effect from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. on weekdays. With these changes, motorists heading north towards Manor Park will be rerouted along Mannings Hill Road. At the same time, Cassava Peace Road will also be converted to one-way between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. on weekdays. With the other changes, 3 Miles in St. Andrew will not be accessible to the over 30,000 vehicles that pass through that intersection each day. If you are driving from the Portmore Toll Road, heading to Hagley Park Road, the new directions will take you onto Marcus Garvey Drive, where other roads in Greenwich Town, including East Avenue, will take you to Spanish Town Road, Waltham Park Road, or Maxfield Avenue. Head of the JCF's Public Safety and Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, SSP Calvin Allen, says its members will be out in its numbers Monday morning to direct motorists.